Harper Creek students are learning in spaces that are full, aging, and ready for updates. That's why we're proposing a $28 million bond focused on high priority needs, with a $0 mil increase above 2026 levels. Our plan tackles 3 areas. First, space and capacity. We'll add 4 classrooms at each of the 3 elementary schools and turn the empty middle school pool area into classroom space.
We just need room to learn.
These changes help relieve crowded buildings and create room for the services and programs our students rely on.
Like before and after care.
Second, safety and technology. We'll add safety film on first floor windows, replace outdated classroom technology, and do a district-wide Wi-Fi upgrade. Third, infrastructure renovations like replacement of aging Beetle Lake Playground, drainage fixes at Sonoma, traffic flow and parking improvements at Waddles Park, plus middle school and transportation parking lot replacement and partial roof replacement at the high school. All are high priority needs at a $0 mil increase above 2026 levels to create a bridge to the future at Harper Creek.
So we can be ready for the future too.
Please vote by August 4th.